Hi, I'm Danny. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, the wig shop owner, and the educator for Aderans Global. Today I want to share with you some of my favorite accessories. I call these accessories, but today we're talking about these accessories. I'm going to share with you my aftercare products that I really do love and have in my kit. So this is Protect Holding Spray. This is going to be great to hold your style in place, and it's formulated for synthetic hair. You can use it on human as well. But this is a great product that's not going to cause buildup. And so again, this is for a light hold. We have light conditioner, which is going to be great to soften your style after you shampoo it. This is going to be for your regular synthetic pieces. The shampoo is also going to be for your synthetic pieces, but this is going to be great to maintain the style and help you with the, not really, it's for care. It's not going to make your wig last longer, but it's definitely going to help you keep it looking its best. And then we have my favorite product, of course, Revive. This is going to be for a soft sheen, to add sheen, to give the ends softness, to separate curl, to give more life to your style. So again, this is an absolutely great product. They all are, but again, this is Revive. And then I also want to just remind you that this is a great piece to have in your handbag or your work bag. If you're a pro, you want to definitely have it in your kit. This is our folding comb. Really nice to just fold and keep in your handbag. If you want to see all our accessories, please go to reneapparels.com where you can see all the accessories that we have. And again, I enjoyed being with you. And like I always say, live big in your ROP wig.